Cross-border payments shouldn't feel like a black box. Welcome to Cedar, fast, secure, transparent FX for growing businesses. Say goodbye to hidden fees and multi-day waits. With live FX rates, T+1 settlement, and real-time status updates, you always know exactly where your money is and how much it's worth. Getting started is simple. Tap Send or Receive. Upload your invoice or payment file. Cedar auto-generates the FX quote, banking details and handles compliance. Watch your transaction move in real time on your dashboard. Onboard to unlock unlimited transfers, multi-currency transactions, business debits cards, and priority support. Our experts are with you every step of the way. Welcome to Cedar, powering borderless business your way. Get started today at cedar.money.